Hi, my name is Jessie, and I'm a member of the massage team here at Tallgrass. When coming to the spa for a service, we want to make sure you get the most out of your spa experience. One way of accomplishing this is by communicating with your massage therapist.
Each person is unique in what feels best, what does not feel good, and what areas are more sensitive than others. Letting your therapist know how much pressure you want is essential to your massage being as relaxing as possible. At any time, let your therapist know if you would like more pressure or less pressure. Don't feel afraid or embarrassed. Your service provider wants to hear from you what feels best so that they can tailor the massage to your needs and comfort level. Think of the pressure on a scale of 1 to 10, with 1 being too light and 10 being too deep. When asked how the pressure feels, you can respond that you would like it lighter, deeper, using the number scale. This will help them adjust to your specific needs.
If you have any other questions on your next visit, we would love to help you. We hope to see you very soon.